So this is the soap. I'll go ahead and add my carrots or booster. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. On this video I'm going to be making my best soap, which is molato soap. You guys know how much I love molato soap, and this time around, guys, this one is bomb. This is a 5D strong whitening molato soap. Guys, this soap is 2-in-1. It helps whitening your skin and fade away dark spots. Like, it contains a treatment. Have you seen a molato soap that contains a treatment? Not only whitening, this one contains a treatment soap. So if you want to know how to make molato soap that can whiten your skin and treat your skin, watch this video to the end. And guys, this soap is on sale. Our 4 kg of molato soap is 30,000 naira. You guys know that, but now it's 25,000 naira. Guys, imagine you're buying a soap with 25,000 naira, and after selling it you're making times 3 of the money you used to buy it. And the another advantage there is that this soap is whipped. Once your customer apply it, or once you apply it on your skin, it will penetrate. And if you're outside the country, you want us to ship this soap to you, just hit our DM. It's very light because we whipped it, so the weight is not going to be much. If your molato soap is not working, or you want to start up this business, try this our molato soap. Guys, believe me, this soap is going to bring a lot of customers because it will whiten, treat and glow your skin. So let's dive into the video. Please and please and please, before we continue, help me click that red button. Please help me click the red button. Thank you. I love you guys so much. So let's dive into the video. You have dark spot, you have dry skin, like your skin is not giving. You want to improve, you want to get that glowing and spotless skin. This soap is for you. This soap is very active because it contains a lot of whitening ingredients and treatment ingredients. So if you have been experiencing molato soap giving you stretch marks, white patches, believe me, this one is not going to give you any reaction at all. Instead, it will clear the ones you have in short period of time, because this is very active. You guys know how much I love making molato soap. I spent a lot learning molato soap. So I'll go ahead and introduce the ingredients here. Okay, I'll go ahead and introduce all the ingredients we are going to be using. Yes, this is the second batch because we are on promo for resellers. So if you want to start up this business, you have passion for skincare, you can buy this. You can buy 4 kg. This is the one that is on promo, 4 kg, not the soap like this. So we're gonna make it and put it here. This is 4 kg. You can buy it, guys. Believe me, after selling it, you make times 2 of the money you use buying it, honestly. And this soap is very active. If you want to start up this business, guys, start up with a product that is active, so that when your customer use it, they will keep coming back. Okay, they will be your customer forever. Number 1 ingredient we have here is this Larissa soap. Okay guys, Larissa soap is a strong whitening soap that you cannot use direct to your skin because it's very active. If you don't want to burn, damage your skin, you can't use this on your skin. So this is a booster. You can as well use this on your black soap, half-can soap, depending on the soap you are making, because it will help to boost the soap. So the next one we have here is this Cave Brother new product. Guys, this product is very active. I should say that this product is more active than other of their products because this is 4-in-1. This will help whiten up your skin. This is Cave Brother kojic, gluta, papaya and abutin soap. This will help to whiten up your skin in few weeks. This is very active. You can use this direct to your skin. So the next one we have here is this Nano extra whitening natural papaya and carrot soap. Guys, this soap is wow. This will help whiten up your skin, fade away dark spots, give you this glowing and moisturize your skin. And the next one we have here is this Toujours body soap. Guys, like I said, this molato soap will help whitening and correct your skin. Look at it here, corrector. So this will help to correct your skin. If you have dark spot, if you have stretch mark, if you have pigmentation, if you have burn, if you have a stubborn skin, guys, that's why I said that this soap will help whiten and treat your skin. So because of this soap, I'm adding it to it. Yes, it's in yellow form and it's not gonna affect you. So this is it. This is the soap. So this is a very nice treatment soap, guys. This is wow. If you have a damaged skin, you have white patches, green vein, like your skin is not giving, you can try this soap. Okay, so next on our list is this kojic vitamin C white soap, guys. This soap is wow. You can use this direct on your skin and it will help whitening up your skin and fade dark spot, guys. Any soap that can whiten your skin is capable of fading away your dark spots. That is if the soap is nice and it does not contain hydroquinone. Okay, so this kojic vitamin C, guys, helps to whiten up your skin. As you can see here, result in 7 days, 4 in 1. Okay, so you can use this to make your molato soap. Like, it's very nice, like extremely nice. This contain arbutin, vitamin C and E, kojic acid and glutathione, guys. This is best. This is the best. So I'll go ahead and grate the soap. Okay, guys, so this is the soap. I'll go ahead and add my carrots or booster. So this is the carrot booster. This is 1 liter. I'll add everything. Guys, this soap is very active. This will whitening your skin. And if you want to try this, you can just buy and try on your skin and see how effective it is. This is not your regular molato soap. This one is very active, like super active, because I know that I'm giving this to people that want to start this business new. So I don't want in a situation where their customer will complain that the soap is not active. You go ahead and mix this together, guys. Like I said, we're going to whip this soap, so it's not going to be too heavy. So if you're outside the country, we can ship the weight. So this is all you have to do. Mix this together, then you cover this for 2 days. Okay, depending the grater you use. If you use a grater that is big, that has a big hole, you cover this for 3 days. But if you use a grater that is not too big, then you just cover it for 2 days. Okay, and you blend it with your soap blender. Okay, and you're good to go. If you want to order this, guys, just send us message on WhatsApp. We deliver worldwide, like I said, and this soap is on promo. Okay, make use of this opportunity. And if you want to learn how to make molato soap, guys, we are the best. No bragging, just hit our DM. I'm gonna teach you how to make this. Okay, and it's on video.